Yeah, so in order to address the boot problem, I decided to remove the old socket. I mean, really didn't look that bad to me. I don't know why it would make such bad contact, that pushing down the CPU would make a difference in terms of boot behavior, but nevertheless, I decided to remove it. So this is where it was. I think it came out nicely, thanks to a lot of super wick, which always does a great job here. I know some people are opposed using super wick, but for me, I mean, given that the solder was still fresh, right, and not like 30-40 years old, it really came out effortlessly with the super wick. So still going to clean that up. I guess it makes a difference, you know, how old the solder joints are and whether non-lead unleaded solder was used, right? But this is the leaded solder which I'm using here, and just going to clean that up a little bit now. And then we're going to put in a new socket. So I have one very close inspection under the magnifier glass, to make sure that we really didn't damage any traces. But yeah, it always takes off some gunk here, basically. I guess this is flux. Yeah, as I said, I mean, this is basically new solder because I put that socket in 2 years ago when I applied the TRS-80 mod, because usually those chips are not socketed in, right? They are just soldered to the motherboard. So, but for the TRS-80 mod, if you swap the CPU, you of course need the socket, and I think that's also looking good. So I definitely didn't lift any traces or anything like this. So I'm just going to put in a new socket, and then we'll have a look if that improves boot behavior.